What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Since we know that the upcoming Samsung foldable event is going to be happening in the month of August, and literally we are less than a month away from the launch of both the Galaxy Z Flip4 and the Z Fold4 devices. Up till now we have multiple reports about the Galaxy Z Fold4 which confirms its render images and specification of the device, but we haven't have a concrete information about the Galaxy Z Flip4 about its design. Well, today it's finally going to be changing because even Blast, who has a great track record when it comes to leaks and render images, he has shared a few render images about the Galaxy Z Flip 4 from different angles, and it pretty much confirms what the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be looking alike. To be honest, looking at these render images for the first time, I don't think that it's going to be having much improvement in terms of the design, and it's going to be looking similar to the Galaxy Z Flip 3. If you look at the image closely, you will notice that the sides of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 are going to be having a flat edges, and honestly it's going to be looking great as compared to the rounded edges, because the flat edges will also going to be help out in order to grip the device even better. One important thing you have noticed in that particular render image is that we have a color that is going to be completely same on all the device. Instead of having two-tone color option that was available in the Galaxy Z Flip 3 devices, we may not see the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be coming with two-tone color option. And another improvement which the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 is going to be reported right now is the hinge department. And looking at these images, it pretty much looks like that the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be having a new hinge design, which honestly make the device to be a little bit lighter, and also it will lower the cost of the device, which is an important factor when it comes to foldable devices. Now overall, I think that the design of the upcoming Z Flip 4 won't be any different than the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Minor changes are coming this time around. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new design leaked renders? And as far as the spec sheet of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 is concerned, it's coming with a 6.7 inch of 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED display on the front. The upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be packing a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and the FCC listing has already confirmed that particular processor inside the device. Also, it's going to be having an 8 and 128 and 256GB of internal storage of RAM and ROM. An improvement in battery capacity, it's coming with a 3400 mAh as compared to 3300, and also we are expecting to see an improvement in the charging department as well. Although we don't see any charger in the box, but still it's going to be having a 25 watt or 45 watt of fast charging support as well. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new design? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.